So, going back to our algorithm, ang una natin gagawin ay to check n. Our check n is here. It will going to verify if n is an odd number greater than 1. Kasi ang rule natin kanina, pag 1, hindi pwede. So, dapat greater than 1. So, we use 3. Okay. While n is even or n is equal to 1, mag-e-error siya. Pag nag-end, balik ulit sa main algorithm. So, the next one is initialize square. Next, our initialize square is going in this side. So, this one, we have to set all elements of square to 0. Kumbaga, maninigurado tayo na lahat ng laman nito ay 0 or wala munang initial na laman. Kasi tayo ang maglalagay ng laman when we're going to use the algorithm. Okay, so based on our algorithm, we have to set I to 1. We have I is equal to 1. Anyway, dito sa gagawin natin, we're going to use the simulation, short simulation method. Hindi na tayo gagamit like the other time na na long method. This is the short method wherein magka-cancel-cancel na lang tayo. Kasi ang haba ng algorithm. So we have set I to 1 and we have to set j into n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So kailangan natin i-consider ang n natin ay maminusan doon natin ng 1, that is 2. Divided by 2, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, ulit ha. N set j to n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So that is equals to 2. Okay. Next, set square ij to 1. Our I here is 1. Our j is 2. Square our ij natin, ang minimit niya na square ay this one. Ito si square. Ij natin ay 1, 2, equal to 1 down. So, sino ito? Hanapin natin si 1, 2. 1, row 1, column 2 is here. Tama? So, isi-set down natin siya kay 1. So, ayan. May value na tayo for now. Okay? So, example lang ha kung paano natin i-visualize yung sabi niya. Next, set next value to 2. Okay. Maglalagay ako dito ng next value. This is the next value equal to 2. Okay. Then, while next value is less than or equal to n squared, this is our n squared, the 9. So, 2 is less than, true, and not equal to, but less than, of course. We proceed to if I is equal to 1. Our I is equal to 1. Yes, of course. So, set that I to n. Kapag ang I daw is equal to 1, magkakaroon tayo ng another temp I is equal to 1. Okay. Else, of course, hindi na tayo pupunta sa else kasi nga, nag-true na ang statement natin sa I is equal to 1. So, nag-set tayo temp I, set temp I to n. N natin is 3. Okay. Next, determine next column. Punta tayo sa next column. If j is equal to 1, of course, it's false kasi equal siya sa 2. Pupunta tayo sa else. So, set temp j to j minus 1. J minus 1 is 1. Next, if square temp I, temp j is not empty. 3, 1. Tingnan natin ang 3, 1. Is it empty or not empty? Okay. It is empty. So, magpo-false tayo. That means, pupunta tayo sa else. Kasi empty siya eh. So, pupunta tayo sa else. Set I to temp I. So, this one, isa-set down natin to temp I, which is 3. 3 si temp I, and set J to temp J, magiging 1. Okay? Then, set square ij to next value. Square 3, 1 is equal to 2. So, 3, 1 here is 2. Yes? Okay. And then, increment next value magiging 3. Again, balik ulit tayo. While next value is less than or equal to 9, true, check natin if, determine the next row, if I is equal to 1. If I is equal to 1, false. So, this is set temp I to I minus 1. So, magiging 2. Set temp J, determine the next column. If J is equal to 1, magiging true. Set temp J to N. So, ito ay magiging, anong N natin ay 3. Okay. So, ang ating ano lang dyan, ang ating ruling lang dyan, every time na it is not equal to 1, magma-minus 1 lang tayo sa temp I. For example, kapag 3 siya, minus 1, magiging 2 siya. Pero kapag nag-equal to 1 itong dalawa, ang gagawin ay magiging 3 si temp I or si temp J. Okay? So, dito na tayo. Nag-set na tayo na temp I at saka temp J. So, iti-check na natin if square temp I or temp J is not empty. Pag meron tayong value nito, iti-check natin kung si 2, 3 daw, 2, 3 is not empty. Pag empty siya, of course, pupunta tayo sa else. Pero, kapag may laman siya, i-consider natin yung true statement. So, ngayon, dahil empty siya, pupunta tayo sa else. Set I to temp I. So, bali, set I to temp I magiging 2. And set J to temp J magiging kopya 3. Now, set square ij to next value. 2, 3 to next value, magiging 3. So, 2, 3 ay equals to 3. Diyan na yung 3 natin. And then, increment, next value magiging 4. Okay. Next, balik tayo sa taas. Determine the next row. If I is equal to 1, no. So, dapat ang ating temp I ay magiging minus 1. Pag false. If our J is equal to 1, determine the next column. Our J is equal to 1. Pag false, minus 1, magiging 2. And now, let's check. If our temp J is not empty, our 1, 2 is not empty. That is true. Kaya pupunta tayo sa true statement. So, if I is equal to N, false. So, else, increment I. Okay. Increment I natin magiging, from 2 magiging 3. So, set I to temp, set square ij to next value. So, ij natin ay 3, 3 is equal to 4. 3, 3 is 4. Okay. Kung mapapansin natin, nabubuo na natin yung ating magic square. Next, increment next value magiging 5. Balik tayo sa while next value is equal or less than n squared. Okay? So, this is true. Determine the next row. If I is equal to 1, false. Kaya magiging 2 dito, minus 1. J is equal to 1, false. Magiging 2 para dito. Kasi 3 minus 1 is 2. Then, we have to check if 2, 2 is not empty. The 2, 2 is here. Empty. Kaya set I to temp I. Set J to temp J. And now, square 2, 2 is equal to next value, which is 5. And then, increment next value. So, that is 6. Balik ulit sa while. Okay. While next value is less than or equal to 9, true. So, determine the next row I. So I is not equal to 1. So minus 1, magiging 1. J is not equal to 1. So minus 1, magiging 1. Let's check. If square temp I temp J is not empty, this is empty. So we proceed to set I to temp I, set J to temp J. And then set square ij to next value. 1, 1 now is equal to 6. So we have 6. And increment next value. Balik ulit sa while loop. 7 is less than or equal to 9. True. So I is equal to 1. True. That's why temp I now is equal to n. J is equal to 1. True. That's why our temp J is equal to n. Let's check if 3, 3 is not empty. This is not empty. That's why if I is equal to n, false, else increment I, this would be our 2. Now 2, 1, set 2, 1 square 2, 1 to next value, that is 7. This is our 2, 1 and increment next value. Balik ulit sa while. While 8 is less than or equal to n squared, true, determine the next row. 2. If I is equal to 1, this is false, so we have 2 minus 1. If J is equal to 1, this is true, it will remain as equal to n, then J. Now, let's check if square temp I, temp J is not empty. 1, 3 is empty, so we have to set I to temp I, set J to temp J. Now, square 1, 3 is equal to the next value. So 1, 3 is 8, and then we increment our 8 by 9. Then, balik tayo sa while. While next value is less than or equal to n squared, correct? So we have to determine the next row. If I is equal to 1, so we set temp I to n. If j is not equal to 1, we have 2 minus 1. This is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so if square temp I, temp j is not empty, 3, 2. Hanapin natin ng 3, 2. This 1. This is empty. So we have to set I into temp I and set j to temp j. So we have square 3, 2 equals to 9. Square 3, 2 is equals to 9. And then we have to increment our next value. That is 10. Then, balik tayo sa while. While next value is less than or equal to n squared, that would be false. Kaya dito matatapos yung ating algorithm. And then, if we're going to check this one, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 3, that is 15. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 4, that is 15. Of course, when we are going to 6 plus 7 plus 2 is 15. Same with this, 15, 15. That is the magic square. That is how you check your magic square. And paano natin sine-check ito? Of course, we have to check the n squared. This is our n squared, 1 point. Kasi ang given lang naman is our n. So, ang may check dyan is our n squared. And then, we have to check the last value of our I must be 3. The last value of our j must be 2. The last value of our next value is 10. Temp I is 3.